So these are the graphs from those two equations above. The red graph is 2 to the x. The blue graph is log base 2 of x. Okay, so like I said, they're mirrored. They're reflected over y equals x. Y equals x is this line right here. I know we've done a ton of graphing this year. All right, and reflections were in a geometry topic, but we've got right there that they're reflected over that. That's how an inverse works. An inverse is reflected over y equals x, and the rule for reflecting over y equals x is literally switch the y and the x. All right. Couple little notes here. It looks like the blue graph kind of ends. If I zoom in right here, it looks like the blue graph ends. But what I have written down there is that it doesn't. But the calculator just isn't great at vertical asymptotes. Basically, the calculator doesn't understand them, and it gets to a point where it's an error. But this goes just like this. Just like the red line keeps going like that, it keeps going on and on forever there. So if you graph any logarithmic equations, which you're going to do, make sure you don't randomly end them. They should continue straight down vertically because they'll have a vertical asymptote. All right. So the exponentials will have a horizontal asymptote. The verticals will have the logarithmic will have a vertical asymptote. So we have to be able to find asymptotes as we go down through here. Also, those are the things we're going to kind of look at. But basically, I want you to be able to take an equation of a graph, put it in the calculator correctly, and then draw a sketch of that graph on a grid or a piece of graph paper.